All right, thank you, Mehdi. And we have a question here, actually, explaining how to buy secret network. Do you have any recommendations for that?
I think from the DEX itself, go to Osmosis and just so basically Cosmos is still the on ramp. So buy Cosmos, go to Osmosis, and basically swap it with Secret Network. Secret Network is also good at L1. I know Mike, you like it. I also like it. It's basically L1 which has privacy features. So if you believe privacy is a fundamental human right, and on top of human rights, we also need decentralization. Combining both is what Secret Network is providing.
Definitely. And I'm just sharing the screen now for those that don't know what osmosis is. This is the main DEX that's on Cosmos ecosystem. And also, they also have a Copper launchpad, which is launching ecosystem projects within Cosmos as well as other ecosystems. I believe one of the projects that was recently launched on Copper was Alethea.ai, pretty interesting AI oriented project. But yeah, just going back to the topic of Cosmos, here are some more projects that Mehdi was describing more in detail. This was Evmos, which is the EVM compatible smart contract protocol being built out on Cosmos. And if you do have Cosmos and you are staking it on the Kepler wallet, you'll be eligible for this airdrop, I believe still. And another protocol on that ecosystem is a Juno.
Just on that note, sorry, Mike. So even if you got wrecked by high Uniswap fees and high OpenSea fees, I believe FMOS is also doing airdrop for us guys. So if you go on Google and you kind of search wrecked airdrop, they're also doing that. So I think in few minutes time, I'm also going to drop a link for that. I've also dropped a link of the Twitter that I've tweeted. It gives you like a breakdown of all the airdrops going forward, and all the airdrops will be eligible.
Nice, perfect. Thank you, Mandy. But yeah, another one I was going to mention here, Juno, similar to Evmos, but it's smart contracts exclusively for the Cosmos ecosystem. I believe they do have some EVM compatibility, but it's not really oriented towards Ethereum as much as Evmos because of the fact that Evmos is trying to capture more market share from the established ecosystem of Ethereum. But some more fun projects. This is a really cool airdrop. We think it's coming out here soon within the Cosmos ecosystem as well. This is a Silk and Shade. This is a privacy-oriented stablecoin. So a very unique stablecoin, like similar to UST, but instead of it being backed by the US dollar, like many other stablecoins, this is algorithmically backed by crypto assets as well as a basket of commodities and indexes. So it's less volatile and has less of a chance of being attacked for its peg essentially.
Yeah, I really like this project. Just to simplify it for you guys, I believe, not financial advice again, not investment advice. I believe it has amazing elements of Terra Luna, and on top of that, it has some elements of OHM. And on top of that, they are trying to disrupt the stable coins by not pegging it to US dollar, but rather pegging it to an index of different currencies in the world, including gold and oil. So for me, it's a very interesting concept. I think it could potentially be the future of algorithmic stablecoins with privacy features. And for that reason, I believe this is one of the projects you guys need to kind of keep in your radar and follow up. I'll try to get the team involved, get the team on the 100x show, and also do a deep dive of this project in the future.
Yeah, definitely. And one reason we're really excited about it is the fact that it's privacy oriented and it has the potential of bringing protocols like Anchor, and Mirror that has established the Terra ecosystem. But now there's an opportunity to bring a privacy oriented feature to it. So that's really cool. And the Shade itself is actually like the governance token, and it mainly accrues value by individuals, putting up assets, be it secret tokens, Cosmos Atom tokens, anything that's of value within, uh, you know, uh, big cryptos, and then from there they're able to essentially mint $1 worth of shade, and then by doing so, the user then at the end gets $1 worth of silk after shade is burned. They have a really unique mechanism that really accrues value within the shade token itself, and all the bonding and assets that are used to mint silk are actually accrued back. 1% of that transaction goes back to the treasury, and the treasury is employing the use of that through its own governance. So it's very decentralized stable coin that has private features. So very cool.
Yeah, just to hit one point, I think this project, if there is a two key takeaways for this project, one is that it has amazing tokenomics, and second, it will be a deflationary token just like Luna. So those are the reasons why I'm particularly trying to develop my thesis for this project.
Yeah, definitely. So this is another, airdrop that's potentially coming up here within the Cosmos ecosystem that we wanted you guys to know of. And you can also check if you're eligible now, if you have been staking through Kepler wallet. And yeah, we go ahead and jump into the next project, the hidden gem for this week. Goldfinch Finance. This is essentially trying to bring the same powers of centralized banking, but into the crypto sphere. So instead of having individuals put up an enormous amount of collateral to secure loans, Goldfinch is securing loans for individuals with little to no collateral. So very revolutionary within crypto, as it's necessary for people to get loans without necessarily having money. Pretty cool project. They already have few deployments across the world. I believe one of them is in Africa, and a few are in Asia. And they have approximately 200,000 borrowers are utilizing this platform, and they've lended out approximately close to $3 million, I believe, thus far. And that was all lent out without collateral and paid back efficiently as well. So really revolutionary for DeFi in general, and also people who borrow can also expect a yield back from their crypto as well. So you can check out the website here and see how it works in more detail. But yeah, they have a very strong team. Few from Goldman Sachs. ESPN Engineering, another Goldman Sachs, and the investors behind it, Andreessen Horowitz, Variant, Coinbase Ventures, so very top tier VCs supporting this project as well. And I believe they are launching on Coinbase Pro this month, or early this quarter.
Yeah, it's one of the macro themes I think everybody would kind of have an intuitive feel for. So I think at the moment we have in crypto, we have a fragmentation of on-chain and off-chain. I think this is one of those DeFi projects that are trying to get off-chain assets to be used to kind of get on-chain lending and borrowing. So I think it's a very interesting theme. So not just from an investment perspective, what we are trying to do over here is that we are trying to get you guys to think, educate you guys regarding different projects. So not everything is investment related. Like I think in the next 5-10 years, a lot of opportunities will come in this space. So we want to give you different tools, whether it's technical tools, whether it's deep dive, whether it's hidden gems that Michael give you. So not everything is to buy, but sometimes it's also intellectually stimulating to see the innovation side of it.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.